are happy? You're all happy? Okay, in the last class we have discussed about a rainbow garden, right? I told you to. Before that, what are the rainbow colors? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. We have 7 rainbow colors. Okay. Uh, do you watch the rainbow in the sky? Okay, you can see the rainbow in the sky after raining. Okay, after the rain has gone, the sun is slowly coming, and when you look up in the sky, you can see the rainbow. Okay, it's because of some reflection from the raindrops. Okay, because the reflection from the raindrops. Okay, so you can view the rainbow after raining. When the sun is here, the sun. Okay, when the sun is here, you can see the rainbow just opposite the sun. Okay, when the sun is here, the rainbow will be here. Okay, the opposite, when the sun is opposite, we can see the rainbow. Okay, next time when you watch the rainbow, you can take a photo in your phone. Okay, and you can keep it. So today our topic is also about the science project based on the rainbow. Today I'm giving you some worksheet. Okay, I'll giving you some worksheet which is very interesting and which is very fun to you. Okay, let's go to the first worksheet. Okay, you can see the rainbow colors. In this picture you have to color. It's very interesting, right? It's very interesting. You have to color the rainbow colors. Okay, what is a rainbow color? Here it is, violet. You have to color violet color. Next is indigo. You don't have an indigo color, you can take a navy blue or dark blue. Okay, this is indigo. You have to take color indigo color here. Next is blue color here. Green, you have to color green. You have to color yellow. You have to color orange, red. These are the rainbow colors. Okay, you can see the sun and you can see the raindrops. This is the raindrops. This is sun. This is cloud. Okay, you have to color the raindrops, cloud and sun, right? Okay, this is the first activity. Second activity is also coloring. You are interested, you are coloring. Okay, you have to color the, here you can see the first color is red. This is orange, yellow, green, indigo, blue, violet. Okay, you have to color accordingly. You have to color it. You have to color red color here, orange color here, 2, 3 is yellow, 4 is green. You have to color this rainbow. Okay, this is also based on coloring. Next is the you have to color the foods. Okay, you have to color the foods. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Red color fruits are apple, tomato, strawberry. This is orange color, carrot, orange, pumpkin. Next we have yellow, lime, lemon, banana, corn. Okay, next we have green. We have green peas, broccoli. What's this? This is kale, or we can call it spinach. Blue, this is blueberry. You have to color the You have to draw the picture in your notebook and you have to color it. Okay, you have to keep a separate notebook for science project and separate notebook for science. Okay, my subject science, and you have to keep a separate book for science project also. Now you can to draw the pictures in your notebook and you have to copy the worksheet from the video to the notebook and you have to color it. Okay, you understand? Okay. Next, our activity is you have to choose which is healthy. Healthy means which is good for us, and which is not healthy, which is bad for us, which is not healthy. Okay, for example, this is a muffin. Okay, muffin is not good for our health. You have to cross it. If it is not healthy, you have to cross it. Okay, if it is healthy, you have to color it. Banana. This banana, right, is healthy food. You have to draw banana in your notebook and you have to color it, right? Yes. That is the activity for you to do. You have to cross the food which is not healthy and you have to color the food which is healthy. Okay, right, that's all our assignment is. It's very fun to color. Okay, enjoy. Bye bye.